description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Now, today I've got something very unique. Comes by way of the Fat Hipster. You should check his channel out on YouTube. Thank you very much. We have Samyang Buldak banana, and this is like a China exclusive variety. You're not going to find this in the United States, so don't get the idea, I'll just go down to my Asian grocery. They got lots of stuff there, you know, because it's really cool and it's really big and they got lots. No, it ain't happening. At least not right now. You never know. They could bring this to the States, but I kind of have a feeling if they were going to, they would have already. So, that being said, let us do as they ask us. Let us cook the noodle block for a full 5.5 minutes. So yeah, banana. That's pretty cool. So you're not gonna see me try it on this. Oh, boo-hoo. Well, but you will see me and my son give this a go on the mukbang, which will be also shown on the page and also following this post. Or video. So now you know, and you can watch the noodles boil. Indeed, some people really like watching noodles boil. I'm fine with that. That's why I show you the noodles boiling now. It's January 31st, 2026. It's kind of surprising that we're already in that stage of the game. It's kind of ridiculous. Wasn't it just Christmas? Wasn't it just Thanksgiving? Sure seems like it. And, yeah, noodles. So the deal is, there is a flake sachet, but it says in the instructions to, once this is done, drain it completely, add the powder and the sauce. The powder, I'm going to guess, is akin to the powder you would use to make a banana-flavored bubble tea. I don't know. It's probably some easily sourced banana powder flavoring. And then the flake is, from the translation I got, it kind of sounds like it might be like fried banana, and the pictures of it kind of look like fried banana. So, yeah. As far as garnish goes, I'm going to leave it pretty much the way it is. We'll see if that's just like little fried bits of plantain, and if it is, I've got some plantain banana chips, so I might just add some of those just to make it look a little nicer. But yeah, spicy banana. I've had this Filipino stuff by a company called, oddly enough, UFC, I think it is. And they make this like banana ketchup. And they make a regular one and they make an extra spicy one. So that's kind of neat. Banana has an interesting consistency, so it kind of lends itself well when pureed to make a sauce out of it. But this is just looks like it's going to be bulldog sauce and a lot of banana powder, flavor powder, and a little bit of fried banana on top. So that's a thing. But yeah, it's Saturday, so I'm trying to plan out my weekend, what I'm doing now that it's here. And I think what I'm going to be doing tonight is setting up my stereo. So that's cool. Getting some speakers, and then gonna try to get rid of the speakers that I got recently. It's a jumble. It's kind of frustrating, honestly, but in the end it should be really quite cool. And I like my setup to be cool. So yeah. Noodles look like they're gonna be nice. But yeah, once I do all that stuff, I will be flat broke. You know, folks, running the Ramen Raider has some pitfalls and some bills that have to be paid, and this month has the biggest bill of them all. It's the one for my security setup, and that's $200. And so I have that, but I have nothing else. So kind of a bummer, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Way back when my site got hacked, that was absolutely awful. That was the worst thing in the world. I think that was when I had about 4,000 reviews. Sounds about right. But yeah. Bah. Hacking bad. I'm really curious about this banana stuff. It'll either be good, or it'll be awful, or it'll be gawful. I don't know. It'll be something. But yeah, I'm rushing out this one, that's for sure. It's probably Tuesday for you. And I'm rushing out this other set of chicken wing varieties that are kind of... 2 out of 3 of them I've tried, and 2 of them that I've tried have been pretty bad. So maybe the 3rd time will be the charm. I'm hoping. All right. Beep. All right. Let's get drained. Drained and strained. So some different varieties of Buldak say different things. Some of them say save, like reserve some of the water. This one says drain completely. There have been varieties that say rinse with cold water too. This one just says rinse it, or just drain it. Alright, this is probably going to be the banana flavor. It's got to be. So let's open it up, shall we? Oh yeah, that smells like banana, alright. Very sweet. How weird. Yeah, it was a bit of a try to figure out a good translation for this one too. I found it on eBay and I found it elsewhere, and so if you want to get it, you're gonna have to pay through the nose for it. That's for sure. I think you'll probably have to pay $30 for a 5-pack, and then you're gonna have to pay the import fees, which they take in shipping and everything. So it's gonna be $30 for the noodle plus the shipping, and then when they figure that all out, then they'll add the import fee, the duty on it. Which it used to be, if it was under $200 or something like that, I think it was maybe under $800, you didn't have to pay one. And now, of course, we've got the whole, oh, by charging people this, it makes countries pay all this money. It's like, no, dude, you have to pay for it. Anyway. Well, now the scent of banana is all but gone. Oh, I still smell it. Wow, how funky. So like I said, I'm not going to delve into it right now. Actually, I do have to do something. It will not be a complete 100% mukbang because my wife is gone right now, but she wants to try it. So I'm going to grab her. God, I bet this is gonna like melt her face off too. She is not the spicy type, but she does like banana. I mean, I find her to be very spicy, but she's not a fan of spicy food. All right. She's like, just give me enough to taste it. I think she probably won't eat that whole bite I gave her. Alright. Okay. And then we got our sprinkle. We'll apply it. Right in the middle like that. Give her a little sprinkle for her taste. And yeah, I guess I can add a couple of these chips on top. Because it shows in the picture, it shows like plantain chips, and it's like those that they show. Oh, these are interesting. Yeah, that's plantain, alright. Very salty. Like potato chips. Not bad though. Alright. Rotato. That's what I've named my rotating platform. I know, right? Watch it go. There you go. So pretty quick here, me and my son are gonna go over there after I take some pretty pictures and scarf this thing down. So that, if you're watching this one when the day it comes out, that video will be coming out like 15 minutes later, pretty early in the morning, but yeah. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, look in the info below. I've got a Patreon, and if you can donate $1 a month, that'd be super cool. So, have a good one. Bye-bye.